Praktisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission na kabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka ba Duna tam, but she's pa percent ka jinyo kam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Frank Yamaha hakan riutrik ujemang arja penriau kala pelaj pai ba ya ka Fascino 125 hybrid Batymmai ka badi ka scooter Batymmai ka ba penyesolang ya ka durbe itanan bat ka teknologi hybrid ka batibet ya ka ni ka Fascino la shna karpang nakbenta kinongnya ki bamenta ya ka ni ka Fascino Batymmai la pelaj pai ba daki model na ka DK's Alia Academy ka bala pelong ha Heritage Club Tripura Shillong ha ka jiadon lang utrai jong ka company upa indon lang pasa ki nong trai ka company ki finances bat ki bala syakot sobha ka benta bokong san jong ka Fascino 125 hybrid ka don ya ka smart motor generator system kani ka hybrid assist kamday tangban penklan ya ka bor hanrei ka yara pru ban penduna ya ka jingbam petrol ka papelong ya ka way nagijingjiet babahatam na ka benta ka jingyan ha sor shalong ka scooter ka donru ya ka engine 125cc BS6 ka baay ka jingya day ka babyang hapedeng ka bor bat ka jingpendon kam petrol.
not just to be seen, but to be felt. And Gen Z, yes, we have the metallic light green cool blue. And now for those who carve their own path and move with purpose, as the present belongs to those who create it. Fearless, fluid, and unapologetically real. And this style doesn't wait for approval. It defines its own rules. And yes, the modern power. Finally, the power for those who don't follow trends. They set the tone, lead the moment, and redefine what comes next. This presence unspoken, yet undeniable. And now we've come to the part of the unveiling. I'd like to request the models to take turn one by one. Starting off with the red over there, yes. Confidence.
In a city like Shillong, we don't follow trend, we create them. And with the new Yamaha Fascino, we don't just ride, we arrive. Thank you. Again, tonight we don't just introduce a scooter,
Bigger one.
we introduce a statement. A statement of style, a statement of intelligence, a statement of evolution. This is the new Yamaha Fino 125 Fi Hybrid, where timeless design meets modern technology. At its heart lies a 125cc blue-core hybrid engine, engineered to deliver not just performance, but efficiency, refinement, and responsiveness. With enhanced power assist, the Fascino responds instantly, giving you that extra boost exactly when you need it, whether it's a city traffic or uphill rides. And with a mileage of nearly 68 km per litre, it ensures that every ride is as economical as it is enjoyable. But what truly sets the Fascino apart is how it feels. At just around 99 kilogram, it is one of the lightest scooters in its category, making it effortless to handle, effortless to ride, and effortless to laugh. Add to that, start and stop system, smart motor generator system, Bluetooth connectivity with Y-Connect, and what you get is not just a machine, but a smart connected riding experience. Now let's talk about where we are. Shillong. Shillong is not just a city. It is a rhythm, culture, elevation, and expression. And the Fascino fits the lifestyle perfectly. Its lightweight body makes it ideal for Shillong hilly roads and sharp turns. The hybrid assist ensures smoother pickup on inclines and gradients. Its fuel efficiency makes daily commuting economical in a city that moves constantly. And most importantly, its design speaks the language of Shillong, stylish, unique, and expressive.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.